Okay, take your ear of corn and cook them one at a time. Don't do anything to it. Just take it and put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. We pulled our corn out of the microwave and we cooked it for 4 minutes. We didn't do anything to the stock, we just put it in there. And when you take the corn apart, these little stringy things really come off easy. And your corn's going to be a little hot. You can see how that they just come right off. Look at that. Look how that comes right off. Kind of eliminates shucking the corn anymore. But all your little stringy things, they come right off. The corn is perfectly done. You don't even need any butter on them. At this point, you can take the shell off of there. And there you have it. Still hot, but a perfectly cooked, shucked piece of corn. It saves a ton of time in boiling water, shucking them and getting them little string things off of there. And it's perfectly cooked. We don't even use butter on these. They come out so good. But that is an easy way to cook a piece of corn without all the hassle. Especially if you're only cooking a couple pieces. Let me cut a little bit for you. You can see how it's definitely cooked. It's done. So there you have it. Great corn.